So let's create a basic worksheet. So there's two ways of doing it. You can either do it from scratch, or you can use the Excel templates that they do provide for you. Now in 2013 you get a few more. So if I go to File, click on New, you'll get a few options there. And you can search, and if you're online you can get a few of them. So I'm just going to select any one of them. Let's get a student calendar in there. So you're going to say create. It's going to basically download this template for you. So now you've got a very nice calendar in here, which is already generated by Excel. So you don't have to go through all the problems of creating this. So this is a nice way of doing it. So there's a few you can use there, and you can basically just search. So if I search invoices, for example, it will then search all the invoice templates that's available, and then just use them. It even gives it in categories. It does look a bit different in 2013, but the other versions has got the same capability. But obviously 2013 has got a few more. So if I used any one of them, let's use a service invoice. I say create, and there you'll see now we've got an invoice. We can put in a logo. We've even got formulas in here. So we can just basically use this invoice, and it even gives you instructions to use. So to start off with, I would just create a worksheet from this. Obviously as you go along and you get more advanced, you'll be able to know how to create things like this, how to create colors, how to create fonts, and we'll go through it later on. But when you start off your first worksheet, try and just use one that's already there. It's going to save you a lot of time. So now we've got a worksheet. How do we save it? So I've already included this in my quick access bar because I know I save a lot, so it's easy to do it there. But you can go to File, and you can either save or save as. So I haven't got something yet, so I can just say save, and then we'll choose where we want to save. So I'm just going to say I'm going to save there, and I'm going to call it service invoice, and then you're going to save. So now you'll see on top it's there, and we've saved it. You can go to save as and obviously save as well. And in File you can always open up new stuff, and you can add new stuff. So there's a few options there which is handy to use. So just to recap, if you're starting off with Excel, use these standard templates. Just search for one you want to use, and hopefully you'll get one that's very easy to use, and you can just use that template. And you might impress somebody by how quickly you can get to a template that looks very nice.